In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide page thumbnails in Canva. If you've ever felt crowded by the strip of mini pages at the bottom of your screen while designing in Canva, this quick tip is going to give you some breathing room. Those small previews are called page thumbnails, and they're helpful for jumping between pages, but they can take up valuable space on your canvas, especially on smaller screens or when you want to focus on fine details. The good news is, you can hide them with a single click. Start by opening the project you're currently working on. You can be in any design, presentations, social posts, documents, it doesn't matter. Once your project is open, shift your attention to the bottom right corner of the Canva interface. You'll see a small control labeled Pages. On some screens, it appears as a button with the word Pages. On others, it may look like an icon with the label next to it. That's the control we need. Simply click the Pages button. The entire row of page thumbnails along the bottom will collapse, giving you a cleaner, more spacious workspace. Nothing in your design changes. Your content stays exactly the same. You're just hiding the visual previews so you can concentrate on what's on your main canvas. This is especially useful when aligning elements, adjusting typography, or reviewing colors without the distraction of the page strip. Think of this as a view toggle. When the thumbnails are visible, the Pages control shows that panel. When you click it, the panel hides, and your editing area expands. It's a great way to reclaim screen real estate during deep work, while keeping navigation just a click away when you need it again. A couple of quick tips to keep in mind as you use this. If your Canva window is very narrow, the Pages label might be shortened, or the icon may shift slightly, but it will still be in the lower right area. Also, hiding thumbnails doesn't lock or flatten anything. You can continue to add elements, move layers, and edit text as usual. If you're collaborating or presenting your design to someone, hiding thumbnails can make your interface look cleaner and more professional during screen shares. That's all there is to it. Open your project, find the Pages control at the bottom right, and click it to hide your page thumbnails. It's a tiny adjustment that makes a big difference in how calm and spacious your Canva workspace feels. Thanks for watching, and enjoy designing with a little extra room to breathe.